Welcome to Pro English Skills. Today, I want to talk to you about something very special, something that is extremely important for all English learners. How to improve your English speaking. English is a very important language. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. So, the question arises, how can you improve your English speaking? Step 1. Practice every day. Practice is very important. Practice makes a man perfect. When you practice, you get better and improve faster. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, or even alone with shadowing. Talk to yourself in English. Start simple. Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine. What about you? Thank you for your kind response. This is a great way to start and practice on your own. Step 2. Listen to English every day. Listening is crucial. A good listener can become a great speaker. When you listen, you learn new words, phrases, and much more. You also learn how to pronounce words and form sentences. Listen to English songs, watch movies, podcasts, or TV shows. You can also listen to people having conversations in English. Observe, learn, and practice. Step 3. Read English books and newspapers. Reading is a fantastic way to learn English. When you read, you discover new words and how to use them. Start with easy books. Children's books, newspapers, magazines, or anything in English. Read out loud. This will improve your speaking skills. You can also read with a friend and take turns. It's a fun way to practice. Step 4. Write in English. Writing is another great way to learn English. It helps you practice making sentences and improves your overall language skills. Write a diary, letters to friends, emails, or even stories. Use new words when writing to expand your vocabulary. Step 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Mistakes are our best teachers. They show us how to improve and do things better. Ask your teacher, friends, or family for help. They will guide you and correct your errors. Don't be shy. Speak as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you'll become. Step 6. Think in English. When you think in English, you'll speak better. Start with simple thoughts. When you see a car, think, that is a car. When you're thirsty, think, I am thirsty. Thinking in English makes speaking much easier. Step 7. Learn new words every day. The more words you know, the more you can say. Use a dictionary. Write new words in a notebook and try to use them in daily life. This will help you remember them better. Step 8. Speak slowly. Speaking slowly helps you pronounce words correctly, and it makes it easier for others to understand you. Take your time. Think before you speak. Step 9. Join an English class. Taking an English class is very helpful. You'll learn new vocabulary, grammar, and how to make sentences. Plus, you can practice with classmates and ask your teacher for guidance. Step 10. Have fun. Learning English should be enjoyable. Play games, sing songs, watch funny movies, and talk to friends in English. When you're having fun, you'll learn faster and better. Step 11. Use technology. Technology can be a powerful tool for learning English. Use apps on your phone to practice speaking, learn new vocabulary, and improve your pronunciation. Explore websites, watch videos on YouTube, and take online courses. Technology makes learning accessible and fun. Step 12. Make English-speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is incredibly helpful. You can practice with them, learn from their vocabulary, and correct your mistakes. Plus, you'll gain insights into their culture and how people speak in different regions. Step 13. Watch English news. Watching the news is a great way to improve your English. Learn about current events, expand your vocabulary, and understand how English is used in formal and casual settings. Watch news on TV or online to enhance your listening and speaking skills. Step 14. Join an English-speaking club. English-speaking clubs are excellent places to meet new people and practice your language skills. Participate in discussions, learn from others, and gain confidence in speaking. Step 15. Travel to English-speaking countries. Traveling is an amazing way to improve your English. Speak to locals in hotels, restaurants, and shops. Ask for directions and engage in conversations. Immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment will boost your fluency quickly. Step 16. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a simple yet effective tool. Write a word on one side and its meaning on the other. Review them daily to build your vocabulary. Step 17. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a fantastic way to identify and correct your mistakes. Listen to your recordings to analyze your pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. You can also share them with friends or teachers for feedback. Step 18. Mimic native speakers. Imitate how native speakers talk. Focus on their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Mimicking helps you sound more natural and improves your speaking confidence. Step 19. Read aloud. Reading aloud improves your speaking and pronunciation skills. You'll hear how words sound and practice intonation. Choose a book or article and read it out loud every day. Step 20. Practice with a partner. Having a speaking partner is invaluable. Practice conversations, correct each other's mistakes, and learn together. A partner keeps you motivated and makes learning enjoyable. Step 21. Use a mirror. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Watch how your mouth moves and pay attention to your facial expressions and gestures. This helps improve your confidence and delivery when speaking English. Step 22. Participate in online forums. Join online forums where people discuss various topics in English. Read comments, ask questions, and write your thoughts. This will improve your writing, vocabulary, and sentence construction skills. Step 23. Write scripts for conversations. Writing scripts helps you prepare for real-life conversations. Think of common situations, write down possible dialogues, and practice them out loud. This builds confidence and reduces hesitation. Step 24. Learn about different cultures. Understanding the cultures where English is spoken helps you learn how people use the language in various contexts. Learn about customs, traditions, and common expressions to communicate effectively. Step 25. Set goals. Set small, achievable goals for learning English. For example, learn 5 new words daily. Practice speaking for 10 minutes each day. Read 1 book a month. Goals keep you focused and motivated. Step 26. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements. If you reach a goal, treat yourself. Rewards can keep you motivated to continue learning and improving. Step 27. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. You won't become fluent overnight. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and don't get discouraged by mistakes. Patience is key. Step 28. Use English in daily life. Incorporate English into your routine. Write your shopping lists in English, talk to your pets, or think in English. Small daily habits make a big difference. Step 29. Find a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner is someone who wants to learn your language while helping you learn theirs. Speak in English for some time, then switch to your native language. It's a win-win. Step 30. Join online language learning communities. Online communities are great for sharing resources, asking questions, and practicing English with others. Find supportive groups to boost your learning journey. Step 31. Use language exchange apps. Apps designed for language exchange connect you with native English speakers. Practice speaking, get feedback, and improve your conversational skills using these tools. Step 32. Practice pronunciation. English pronunciation can be tricky. Practice saying words slowly and clearly. Focus on how words are pronounced by native speakers and repeat them until you get it right. Step 33. Learn common phrases and expressions. Beyond vocabulary, learn common phrases and idiomatic expressions used in everyday conversations. This will make your speech sound more natural and fluent. Step 34. Immerse yourself in English media. Surround yourself with English media like movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. This helps you understand various accents and improves your listening and speaking skills. Step 35. Take note of your progress. Track your improvement. Celebrate small wins, reflect on what you've learned, and identify areas where you can improve. This will keep you motivated to keep going. Step 36. Attend English-speaking events and workshops. Look for local or online events where you can interact with fluent speakers. Structured practice sessions in such events can enhance your speaking skills significantly. Step 37. Focus on fluency over accuracy. Don't let the fear of making mistakes stop you. Prioritize fluency during casual conversations. With time, your accuracy will improve naturally. Step 38. Practice speaking in different situations. Try speaking English in a variety of scenarios, ordering food, making phone calls, or giving presentations. This builds confidence and helps you adapt to different contexts. Step 39. Get feedback from native speakers. Ask fluent or native speakers to evaluate your English. Their feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary can help you improve faster. Step 40. Stay motivated and persistent. Learning English is a journey that requires dedication. Stay committed, set realistic expectations, and be patient with yourself. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. In conclusion, improving your English speaking skills takes time, effort, and consistency. Follow these steps, practice every day, and enjoy the process of learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay with us. See you in the next video.